Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize your housing listings with Oodle step by step clearly. Start by creating an account on Oodle if you haven't already. Visit the Oodle website and click on the sign up button. Fill in the necessary information, including your email address and a secure password. Once your account is created, log in to access the listing features. Navigate to the housing section of the website. Click on the button to create a new listing. Choose the appropriate category for your listing, such as apartments, houses, or rentals. Fill out the listing title with a catchy and descriptive headline. Provide essential details about the property, including the number of bedrooms and bathrooms. Add the square footage and any special features like a garage or pool. Set an attractive price for your listing, taking into account similar properties in your area. Write a detailed description of the property, highlighting its best features and amenities. Use clear, concise language, and avoid jargon to ensure all potential renters or buyers understand your listing. Upload high-quality photos of the property, showcasing both the interior and exterior. Make sure the images are well lit and capture the space accurately. Fill in the location details to help potential clients find your property easily. Double-check your input for typos or errors that may deter interested parties. Review the entire listing to ensure it presents your property in the best possible light. Once satisfied, click the button to publish your listing. Promote your listing on social media or other platforms for broader visibility. Regularly update your listing to reflect any changes in pricing or availability. Monitor inquiries and respond promptly to potential renters or buyers. Adjust your listing as necessary based on feedback or market trends. Following these steps will help you optimize your housing listings on Oodle effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.